hosting.
All right, so we appreciate you speaking to us here at NewsX. Now, in breaking news, a petition has now been filed in the Supreme Court regarding the problems faced by ordinary people due to Indigo Airlines. The petition demands an urgent hearing by the apex court, claiming that the 1,000+ flight cancellations caused immense hardship and a humanitarian crisis for passengers, stating that the crisis violates the passengers' rights under Article 21 of the Constitution. The petition demands alternative travel arrangements and compensation for affected passengers. My colleague Sambhav Sharma joins us on the story. We're now learning that a petition has been filed in the Supreme Court regarding this chaos that has taken place with regards to Indigo.
Well, absolutely. Here, a petition has been filed in the Supreme Court as a public interest litigation, and a demand is made for the restoration, resuming of the flight, and also an inquiry and audit of as to why this is happening. And this public interest litigation, this copy of this PDF of it is with us. And here, if I talk about the pointers, the important points raised in this petition, they are alleging that lakhs of passengers were affected due to large-scale cancellation, and it claims that the elderly passenger, children, and those with medical emergencies face severe hardship at airports. An operational crisis has been linked to miscalculation. This is what the petition is alleging. Advocate Narendra Mishra has filed this petition in the Supreme Court. And again, the important pointers we are discussing here. The petition alleges the violation of passengers' fundamental right under Article 21 of Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution Article 21 is about right to life. And here the petitioner is quoting Article 21 of Indian Constitution as per this petition. This particular chaos at the airports in a way violates passengers' fundamental rights under Article 21, and it also states that passengers were denied basic facilities like food, rest, and medical aids during this crisis. And this particular petition also describes the situation as at the airports as a nationwide humanitarian crisis. And a petition also seeks compensation for the passengers who suffered due to the flight cancellation. And another very important point in this petition is that there should be an accountability of Indigo, Director General of Civil Aviation, and the Ministry of Civil Aviation, and Supreme Court should seek a response from them. So this is the petition, but it is Saturday. Supreme Court is closed today. But when I spoke to Advocate Narendra Mishra, he said that it's likely he could go to Chief Justice of India's residence for, in a way, mentioning this particular petition so that Supreme Court could hear this petition. Now it is to be seen whether the top court entertains this petition or not. But these are the important pointers. The Article 21 is quoted here in this petition, and the petitioner says that it's a humanitarian crisis and this should not happen again. And also a reply is sought from DGCA, Indigo, and the Ministry of Civil Aviation. It has asked that the accountability of these institutions should be fixed, and Supreme Court should intervene in this. And as per this in public interest litigation, Supreme Court, it is said that over 1,000 Indigo flights across India has been cancelled. Basic amenities like food, rest, medical aids has been not provided so far and in an accurate way, and that's why Article 21 is it's a violation of Article 21 of Indian Constitution, and passengers' fundamental rights have been violated. And also, if we talk about the petitioner has sought directions from the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court should give direction to certain institutions, and there should be a free alternative travel arrangement. Either Indigo make a free alternative travel arrangement of the affected passengers or compensate. These are the important pointers of this particular petition.
Thank you, Sambhav, for sharing those insights with us. Now, in more breaking updates, in the nationwide Indigo crisis, out of the total 26 Indigo flights scheduled at Thiruvananthapuram Airport, 6 flights have been cancelled. According to airport sources, till now cancellations include 3 domestic arrival and 3 domestic departures. My colleague Belly Thomas joins us on the broadcast. Belly, we're now learning that 6 flights out of 26 out of the Thiruvananthapuram airport have been cancelled.
The continued travelers for the third consecutive day in Kerala's Thiruvananthapuram as Indigo, the India's largest airline, is grappling with service disruption for third straight day in the state due to its operational breakdown. So far the updated cancellations and delays are, according to the airline, Indigo has cancelled around 16 flights, including 9 inbound flights and 7 departures at Thiruvananthapuram, and several flights, including arrivals and departures, remain delayed for hours, triggering chaos for passengers in airports in the state. Around 10 domestic and international flight services of Indigo Airlines to and from the Thiruvananthapuram airport were also delayed on Thursday, and 8 domestic services and 2 international services were delayed, with delay ranging from 30 minutes to 4 hours. And 3 other airports in the state also face similar crisis, as the software advisory first issued by the airlines has now spiraled into a full-blown crisis. Meanwhile, the airlines extended an apology to its customers and industry stakeholders who have been impacted by the disruptions. Indigo team are working diligently to reduce the cascading impact of the delays and to restore normalcy, is what they say in their official statement, Medha.
All right, Belly, thank you for sharing all those details with us.